You're gonna take care of. So you like the length? Just take a little bit. Okay, good. I got this gorgeous lady. She also happens to be my Facebook picture, a black and white, my Facebook profile picture. So we're working on her hair and her gorgeous daughter back there. She's chilling. They start at 7:30 a.m. and we're going. And you know what they show up with? They show up with Waffle House cups in their hands. So we love Waffle House. No matter where you go, Waffle House is there for you. Check it out, guys. So we love Waffle House. We love our customers. Thank you for Waffle House to keeping customers belly full and keeping them awake, keeping coffee whenever they're ready to go get it. So we're doing some haircut transformation here for my gorgeous lady client. We work on this side. Part the hair the other way. Good. Just work it that way. Blow dry it toward you. Back that way. Sign language. I love you. I love you, Father God. Everything is up in I love you. Sign language. You're washing the body so clean up the floor. Amazing. This one is amazing charm. And helps my scissors go through the hair easy too.
And it smells good too.
What'd you say?
And it smells good too.
Smells better than me?
No. I said it smells good
I
too.
know. I asked you if it smells better than me. Maybe.
Maybe.
Okay, I got you. That's a good answer. So if you're needing an amazing haircut, color, or whatever that might be in your menu, ladies and gentlemen, you know, summer is leaving, autumn is coming. And we are incorporating gorgeous colors. She has beautiful warm tones in here. And I've been working on her beautiful hair. How long have you been coming here, by the way?
We've been coming here 17 years.
So 17 years. She has never been to anyone else. She's a very loyal client and I respect her dearly. That's why I came here this morning for her and her beautiful daughter back there. 7 a.m. in the morning. And they came from Lula, Georgia.
Gainesville.
Gainesville? Okay. Excuse-moi. We've been talking about Lula too much. Because I got a lot of friends over there. And I have friends in Gainesville too. We love Gainesville, Lula, Beaufort, Gwinnett. We love everybody. We love Grayson. We love Lawrenceville, Stone Mountain, Snellville. All of my buddies over there. My dear brothers. Love everybody. Allegheny, Blairsville, all the way to Morganton, Atlanta, United States, Turkey. We are in Johns Creek, Georgia, guys. Johns Creek, Georgia. I get so hot when I'm working on myself, so this shirt makes me hot. And I've been working out a lot, so Nusi, good morning, darling. Please criticize my haircuts because I need more critics. And I know you're the best from London. She's Turkish from London. Foreign, beautiful lady. So we love our friends and our clients, and it shows. It's early morning. I'm still working on my coffee. If there's no hair in there, let me have a sip. So we're going good. We're doing good. It's about 10 a.m. in Atlanta, Georgia, but it's cloudy, partly cloudy, and maybe there's some rain showers, maybe not. But I am going to be in the mountains tomorrow, camping with some of my Turkish buddies. They're the best guys ever, which I love them dearly. This is our annual camping trip, so I'm looking forward to it.
Where are you going to camp?
The Soda Falls, close to the Blood Mountain, on the way to the Blairsville off of Gainesville Highway, close to the Valasia and the Neal's Gap. The outfitters over there, the stone building built by our federal government during the time when the country was going through some changes. This lady has enough hair for the whole town. So does she. We're about to work on her hair too. So yeah, we got everybody here in the house. How about looking down for my friend? She's probably the most famous client in my all my social media pages. She's on Instagram and TikTok, and I am so blessed to have her, my client, and she lets me record it. I'm that dearly blessed because some of my clients doesn't want me to do any kind of. Some of them, they say, oh, I don't want the parents to see me. I'm a teacher, or I'm a psychologist, or I'm a counselor, I'm a doctor, I'm a lawyer, I'm a this, I'm a that. It's like the song say, I'm a bee, I'm a bee, I'm a bee, I'm a bee. So I'm a bee at Marius Hair Designers. With my hair, I'm gonna be. And we love bees. We also love Ace. Really, you got amazing hair, I tell you, girl. You got a rockin' her whole family. Her sister has even thicker hair. Her niece Ryan, she's performing right now. What's the name of the show?
Red Hot Mamas.
Red Hot Mamas. Ryan Redmond. I did her hair 20 years ago, and I have done it since then. But she's out on the TV and doing her show. She's in Philadelphia right now. Is it Pittsburgh or Pennsylvania?
Bucks County, wherever that is.
Bucks County?
Bucks.
Box. Oh, it'd be like a box, dollar, B-U-C-K? County, okay. Bucks County, where that is, we don't know. But we are in Johns Creek in Fulton County, guys. That I know. Or we know. So my haircuts, it's not like I just clean the tips and go. People calls me, how much for the haircut? Well, if you call me to ask how much for the haircut, you don't need to come here. because if you're used to that kind of haircuts, then you really just don't bother to call. I love you, I appreciate you, but don't waste your time, because this is not a haircut. How much haircut? You come here, we've been doing this in the same location 25 years. We take care of our clients, we take care of your hair, and we are fair, honest, decent, dependable. It's family owned. Past 25 years, we're operating with love, peace, and happiness. People always tell me, Mario, why you have so much energy? Guess what happened to me, guys, last night? Tito woke me up 2:30 in the morning. Mr. Tito, my little Salon mascot, sleeping over there. And I haven't slept since, and I had some coffee, and I'm like jitterbug. So I guess it's a good thing, you know, because I'm entertaining my customers, just smiling all along. We don't charge for our comedy or entertainment. Whatever comes with it.
Just part of the package.
Part of the package, thank you very much. This place is kind of getting hot, and I'm closer to you. You're even making me hotter. It's a gorgeous lady here, guys. God bless me. And my wife is right there next to me. She's gonna shoot me tonight. I have a pellet gun for her at home. And I know where to hide. Chichi, can you come and do a little straightening iron? You like straightening iron, right? Okay. All right, so her hair is done. Check it out. It's beautiful. Shake it for me, sweetheart. Okay, cool. Look at that, look at that. Look at these colors, guys. Beautiful honey blondes. Caramel is so beautiful. Complements her skin tone, her silhouette, her wardrobe, and her car a little bit. Because, you know, when you're really choosing a color, they always ask what color is your carpet, car, and wardrobe, and then your